Breathing exercises have long been recognized for their therapeutic properties, both in traditional practices and modern scientific research. These exercises promote physical and mental well-being, offering a range of health benefits that can enhance quality of life. Traditional practices. Historically, various cultures have incorporated breathing techniques into their healing practices. In yoga, pranayama refers to the regulation of breath and is considered essential for achieving mental clarity and physical health. Traditional Chinese medicine TCM also emphasizes breath control through qigong, which combines movement, meditation, and breath to cultivate life energy, or qi. These practices are rooted in the understanding that breath is not just a physiological process, but a vital connection to our mental and emotional states. The act of conscious breathing is believed to balance energy, enhance focus, and foster emotional stability. Scientific research. Modern scientific research has begun to validate these traditional beliefs about the healing properties of breathing exercises. Studies have shown that controlled breathing can lead to significant health improvements, particularly in areas such as stress reduction, anxiety management, and respiratory health. Stress reduction. One of the most documented benefits of breathing exercises is their ability to reduce stress levels. A study published in the journal Health Psychology found that participants who engaged in deep breathing exercises reported lower perceived stress levels and improved resilience to stressors. This is largely due to the activation of the parasympathetic nervous system, which induces a state of relaxation. Anxiety and depression. Breathing exercises have also been linked to reductions in anxiety and depressive symptoms. Research in the Journal of Clinical Psychology indicates that practices like diaphragmatic breathing can significantly decrease feelings of anxiety. By focusing on the breath, individuals can shift their attention from negative thoughts to a more calming and grounding experience. Respiratory health. For individuals with respiratory conditions, such as asthma or chronic obstructive pulmonary disease (COPD), breathing exercises can serve as a beneficial adjunct to traditional treatments. A study in the American Journal of Respiratory and Critical Care Medicine found that patients who practiced specific breathing techniques experienced improved lung function and reduced symptoms. Techniques such as pursed lip breathing and diaphragmatic breathing help optimize airflow and improve oxygen exchange. Pain management. Breathing exercises have also shown promise in pain management. Research published in the Journal of Pain Research suggests that controlled breathing can alter the perception of pain and decrease the intensity of pain experienced by individuals. This is thought to be related to the relaxation response induced by focused breathing. Practical applications. Incorporating breathing exercises into daily routines can be simple and accessible. Techniques such as deep breathing, box breathing, or the 4-7-8 method can be practiced anywhere, making them easy tools for managing stress and enhancing well-being. To practice deep breathing, one can follow these steps. Inhale deeply through the nose for a count of 4. Hold the breath for a count of 4. Exhale slowly through the mouth for a count of 6. Repeat this cycle for several minutes. Conclusion. Breathing exercises offer a wealth of medical benefits that span both traditional practices and scientific research. As we continue to explore the healing properties of breath, it becomes increasingly clear that this simple, often overlooked act can have profound effects on our physical, mental, and emotional health. Embracing these techniques can lead to a more balanced and healthier life, making them a valuable addition to any wellness regimen.